Happy New Year! I'm back! Did you miss me? Hi Rockstars! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know, but I am back with new designs that I cannot wait to share with all of you. But you're wondering why I'm all glammed up for this video. Well, what do you think? It's the first video of the year 2017. I gotta come in with the new and look all fabulous. I'm bringing in the fab. So with a new year comes a new you. You have all these New Year's resolutions, and my New Year's resolutions is away with the old and in with the new. We moved into our house 4 years ago. 4 years ago in December, and we literally did nada. Okay, I am like that plumber who has leaking pipes. That's me. I'm guilty. And on that note, how about you take a look at this project that I've been working on? So this room was literally my dump room with a mattress in it, and every time I had a guest, which was mostly my mother, she slept on that little dinky bed, and everything else was a mess with it, which was kind of sad. So I decided that I was just going to overhaul this whole room, clean it all up.
Every once in a while, I need my minions to pick up the slack.
Exactly are the child labor laws again? Because I certainly use them for my benefit. My benefit. It's my benefit. Alright, so I did a good job. I cleared out the room for the most part. See that mattress? I'm not moving that by myself. Are you kidding me? But either way, work has to continue. So now it's time to start prepping the room.
Here, due to moisture and rain, the drywall around the window was rotted out and needed to be repaired. I'm repeating the same process throughout the room where it's needed. No, your eyes do not deceive you. Yes, I am sanding down the walls to get rid of residue and lumps on the surface.
Next step would be painting, but there's still so much work to be done. Unfortunately, it ain't happening in this video. You're going to have to stay tuned until the next one. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, that red button that looks like my dress. Hit it. It takes two to make a thing go right. I dare you to stalk me on Facebook, Instagram, and Vimeo, and of course, YouTube. Follow all the links below to subscribe and like my pages. Until next week, bye-bye. Badabo. My benefit, 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 my benefit. It's a new year and I'm excited. It's a new year and I'm excited.